Hello everyone, this is David from DIY Games. Just wanted to share this quick scroll saw project that I made. I made it about a year ago, but for some reason I never made a video on it. I guess because it was such a basic project. What it is I was actually in the middle of doing a different project, actually this table actually. And I figured, you know what, I'll go ahead and make something out of the piece of scrap 1x6 that I had. Basically what it was a piece that was in my dad's burn pile. So I went ahead, took that, and real quick just drew the design of these cats on here. Then I cut it out on my scroll saw, which I'll leave links in the description. But what it is, I cut out the design on the scroll saw. Once I was done with that, I sanded everything down and went over it with a dark walnut stain, sanded it back just a little bit. That's why you can see the light colors to it a little bit. Anyway, once I was done with that, then I went over it with a little bit of blues, green, gray, some red, things like that. Then sanded it back just a little bit, and then sealed it with some polyurethane. That way to give that gloss to it. Well, anyway, and the reason why these do not separate completely is because I wanted to be able to actually display them with that offset. Now they will actually completely separate, it's just more interesting with one hand. But anyway, maybe if I flip it over, I think this side usually separates a lot. Yeah, there we go. So as you can see, they do actually completely separate. I'll flip it over so you can see them kind of like this. But anyway, like I said, this was just a real simple, basic project, and these do actually have a little more meaning for us. What it is that we actually had two other cats prior to the ones we have now. One of them was Sassy, which was the mama cat, and the other one was Thomas, which was one of her kittens. And what it is Sassy was actually taken. Someone actually ended up taking her, and then as for Thomas, Thomas was ran over. So basically what it is, these actually kind of, as you can say, represent the cats who had previously. Anyway, this one right here has a little more of a red tone to it. And this one right here is actually Thomas. This one right here is actually Sassy. If you actually look at some earlier videos, you'll actually see the cat tone, because Sassy was more like a dog. That cat would end up chasing all full-grown dogs. So that was a good cat to have around. But anyway, like I said, this was just something I just kind of quickly put together. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for the upcoming Christmas holidays as far as things to make, I've been looking at different woodworkers online, such as Sterling Davis, Steve Ramsey, and a couple others, seeing what kind of projects they've made in the past, as well as things that they're planning to make for the season. And I was also thinking about making different kind of display items, such as, well, I'm not going to say what yet, actually. But anyway, stay tuned. I'm going to try to put some more videos out more frequently. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any kind of comments, tidbits, tips and tricks, feel free to leave that below as well. And until the next video. Alright, y'all. Bye.